Morning feels softer here, like time is waiting for me.
Making tea and toast some bread just to make the day warmer.
Breakfast is ready. Quickly come.
Every step with Grandpa feels like walking through a story.
It's hidden under the soil.
Just like the sweetest memories.
He smiles like he grew the whole world himself. What a fine harvest.
So many sweet potatoes! Grandma is happy when she sees all these potatoes.
We don't count time here. We fill baskets instead.
Going home feels different when someone is waiting. Properly wash all potatoes. It's good for health.
Good food takes patience and love. And love. I'm making Italian noodles. I hope Sarah and Grandfather like it.
Thank God, all done. When they come, serve them.
Welcome, welcome home.
Thank you, dear.
Okay?
And both of you, wash your hands.
Okay.
Everyone come, dinner is ready.
Grandma, dinner is superb!
How was your day?
It was great, Grandma!
Very nice, dear.
I wish days like this never had to end.
Today was a tough day. I'm tired.
I know, dear. Rest now.
Good night.
Tomorrow will be simple, and that's enough.